Our world is facing huge social problems that are complex and urgent. War and violence, oppression of basic rights, threats to democratic order, massive and growing inequalities. For most of us, these problems seem daunting, even overwhelming. It is hard to understand the roots of what is going wrong, and harder still to find paths to make things go right. But with the right knowledge, we can come to the bottom of these problems, find paths to solving them, even find new horizons of human promise. Pursuing such knowledge and promise is what we are doing at the Amsterdam Institute for Social Science Research. The AISSR is part of the University of Amsterdam and the Faculty of Behavioral and Social Sciences. We focus on the informal sphere as well as the formal role. Founded in 2010, the AISSR brings together the research and exchange of hundreds of scholars spanning the social sciences, including anthropology, sociology, political science, geography, urban studies, and international development studies. The AISSR's founding principle is that extensive collaboration and communication between disciplines allows us to work smarter as disciplines, but also allows us to work to bridge disciplines. That way, we can better understand the world, better tackle its problems, and find more creative, innovative solutions.
Why do we measure the economy the way we do?
Can welfare states be combined with migration?
Why is there a need in the first place for life-saving?
How does territorial stigmatization affect residents?
In its first 10 years, the AISSR's interdisciplinary environment has inspired research into big and urgent questions in social life, questions that defy disciplinary boundaries.
Who owns big business?
In pursuing this wide range of research questions, the AISSR constitutes a laboratory to find answers.
It turns out that early selection in education systems leads to larger socioeconomic inequalities in educational outcomes.
Useful and creative answers.
I show that well-intended democratic reforms led to new displacement.
Answers that combine a wide array of theoretical and conceptual approaches, and state-of-the-art methods, from immersive ethnographic fieldwork to large-scale big data research, to lab, survey, and field experiments. These answers constitute important findings that are major contributions for academic understanding, but equally major contributions for practical intervention.
Soleimani is a man die al heel jong.
The AISSR is a laboratory to research. It's a classroom to teach. It's a stage to debate. We have been growing and learning in our first 10 years, and we are going strong, even in the most trying of circumstances. The AISSR, the University of Amsterdam's Social Science School,